Okay, what we're going to look at now is optimization and in C1, C2, C3, and auto. We have two logic boxes set up for this. In logic box 1 we have 6 zones, and logic box 2 we equally have 6 zones. What we have for the first of the zones is actually off, and that's our reference. So zone 1 has no optimization. Zone 2, 3, 4, and 5 are C1, C2, C3, and auto respectively, and zone 6 again is off. So that's logic box 1. And logic box 2, we got 6 zones in that, and we got C1, C2, C3, and auto for zones 1, 2, 3, and 4. And zone 5 is C1. Sorry, there's actually only 5 zones in that. So basically, what we want to do is we actually calibrated, or we should calibrate at least all of our zones to be roughly the same temperature. And what we'll be looking for is to see that where they're turning on and when prior to their scheduled setup time. Our setup time in this particular case is from 3 to 4 for all zones. So all zones are set up, and they'll all have the same set point. So I think that's basically, so as we can see clearly that they're turning on and turning off. Inside in our spreadsheet here, we have basically the two logic box shown, and whether they're plate sensors or digital sensors. In all cases, we either use rads or underfloor heating just for ease of reference. And we have inside in each one of our blocks, we have a block for each time period of I just want to see what the time period does represent. It's every 20 minutes. Okay, so sorry, it's every 30 minutes. Okay, so so basically we look from between, let's say, 12 and half 12 and see what's happening from half 12 to 1 o'clock and so forth. We'll take a moment in time between each one of those periods and see how the zones are activating. So that's basically what we're trying to do. Inside your spreadsheet as well, here you'll see some information about how optimization works, and you know, the way it should step up with the various temperature differentials between each time period. So that's all within the spreadsheet. Have a look at that. So we're just going to run our test and see how we get on.